Welcome to the Longbridge Rally 2015. Traffic lane there, Rover 400 there, Ranger's View, Rover 800, Rover 75. Behind me have an Austin Maestro sorry, get that right, MG Maestro. Well, of course there was an Austin variant as well. But behind here we have Austin Allegro, but not just standard Allegro, it's the Austin Allegro Van and Pla. In fact, there's a white one next to it as well. Complete with the large grille, steel wheel caps, and the wooden interior. Rover 75 V8. Austin Maxi here. Favourite of commercial travellers and people wanting a good hatchback with a nice bit of room. Riley next door. MG midget there. Lots of cars, ever popular event here. It's more and more popular every year here. Lots of people coming in. It took a good few hours to get in here actually from the Bristol Road. And we have an Austin Maestro Van and Pla, a little rare car there. C registration. On this lovely day, Metros here, Rover 100s, various other events on, as well as the new MG3 and MG6 can be viewed.